In today's rapidly evolving mining industry, safety, efficiency, and precision are paramount. Introducing the future of mining equipment control, BreakerIntel. BreakerIntel is a game changer designed to empower mining operations. It combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly interface, enabling seamless control and intelligence from anywhere in the world. With BreakerIntel's Teleoperation, you can manage rock breakers from the safety of a control room, no matter where they are in the mine. The benefits are undeniable. Safety. Operate rock breakers remotely from a control room, minimizing risks. Efficiency. One operator can control multiple rock breakers, increasing productivity. Precision. Achieve pinpoint accuracy in rock breaking tasks. Cost reduction. Lower maintenance costs and downtime. Accessibility. Control rock breakers from anywhere, 24/7. The automation package comes with collision avoidance and park and deploy. The collision avoidance system automatically restricts the range of motion of the boom to a predefined and customized three-dimensional space. Automated movements allow the boom to automatically move from park to deploy and back to park with the press of a button. The boom automatically runs through a pre-programmed and customized motion path. The benefits of automation are equally remarkable. Efficiency. Automate repetitive rock-breaking tasks to increase overall efficiency. Precision. Achieve consistent and precise results with every operation. Lower maintenance. Reduce wear and tear on equipment, leading to lower maintenance costs. Increased productivity. Automation allows for round-the-clock rock breaking, boosting productivity. Safety. Keep operators out of harm's way while the rock breakers work. Tailored to your unique mining needs, BreakerIntel offers complete customization, ensuring it seamlessly integrates into your workflow, whether for teleoperation or automation. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to operators of all levels of expertise, whether they're remotely controlling or automating the rock breakers. With its worldwide connectivity, BreakerIntel bridges geographical gaps and connects mining professionals worldwide, enabling teleoperation and automation across vast distances. Astec's data link enables the seamless exchange of rock breaker data with your plant and operations or the mine, allowing remote monitoring, tailored integration solutions, and remote control by third-party equipment. As technology advances, BreakerIntel is poised to revolutionize mining and offer solutions we haven't even imagined yet, both in teleoperation and automation. BreakerIntel, unlocking new horizons in teleoperation and automation for mining. Contact us today to see how BreakerIntel can transform your mining operations.